Hey guys, I'm Steven, a Salon Guy, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my new product called Pregame. So Pregame is a wax paste that transforms into two different products, which is something very unique. It can be used for a variety of different things. It can be used as a pre-styler and a post-styler. So Pregame is a really smooth, rich consistency where you take a finger scoop like this, and it's very simple to scoop out of the tin. So next you're going to apply it into your palm like this, and even though it's very creamy at first, the consistency remains the same, but you start to feel that really amazing grip and tact to it, which is where the hold and pliability comes in. So then you're gonna work it through your hands till your hands are very warmed up and you're gonna feel a lot of grip to it. But the great thing about this is that it gives you instant results. So for application, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start right in through the front here, and I'm going to really mold this into my model's hair. And what's happening is I'm seeing instant results, instant pliability, and instant texture. So where this product really takes form and really has the great benefits is it starts off with kind of a semi-matte natural shine finish. And because it's a water-based product, it's gonna have a little bit of moisture and dampness to it. And then what happens is over time, the product will transform into a fully dried matte product that you can then restyle into a different type of look. And that's the amazing thing about Pregame. It's almost like two products in one. Great texture, really strong hold, amazing pliability, and it's definitely worth checking out.